Hello everyone, I hope that you're fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna show you an amazing free tool called ComfyUI. So what's called ComfyUI? Basically it's a platform that allows you to run an open source and closed source AI workflows. Yeah, for free. So sometimes depends, if it's like open source it will free, you just need to download the workflow, the JSON file containing the workflow, and also the models, just putting them into the corresponding folders. And if it's closed source, you just need to enter your API codes, etc. So I'll go in details. I'll show you from the beginning, like step by step, how to download and like install and configure and run the ComfyUI workflows, and where to find the workflows. Okay, let's go. So first of all, you need to go to this GitHub repo, ComfyUI. I'll put the link into the description below. So then click into this latest version, latest release 0.15.1, and then here you will find all the needed zip file that you need to download. So if this is like ComfyUI portable. This is the most used one and recommended. So this is the portable with, if you have the GPU NVIDIA, you need to download this one or this one. This is like CUDA 12.8 and this is CUDA 12.6. So for in my case, I'll use this one, CUDA 12.8. You just need to download it, download the 7-zip file into your hard drive. I'll put it into the E here, save it here. Okay, that's good. So it's okay, that's good. So it's downloading now the 7-zip file. So just need only one, not all of those, because it's different. They are the same but with different categories. This is NVIDIA with the CUDA 12.8, and this is 12.6. This is just NVIDIA without CUDA. So yeah, so I recommend to download and unzip this one. Yeah, sometimes it's stuck like this. When it's stuck, it's already downloaded, so just need to bypass this. So we'll go to the folder where the zip file has been downloaded. Yeah, sometimes we have this bug. So in my case, it's this file. So I'll rename it. To ComfyUI dot 7z. Yeah, okay. So here here's the zipped file. So we need to uncompress it. Just right click, extract WinRAR. We'll extract here. Just unzip it. Okay, great. Now this zip file has been unzipped. So we'll go through this the folder, unzipped folder. So this is the main folder. So what we need to do, we need just to cut this folder, go back and paste it here in the root of the partition. Okay, and we'll delete this one, this folder. So this is the main ComfyUI folder. So what we need you just double click on it. So we have here those three batch files. So this batch file will run the ComfyUI with only CPU. Uh, this one will run the ComfyUI with GPU with standard VRAM, and this one will run with the GPU using the maximum of GPU capacity. So uh, I have actually I have a 60 I have 64 gigabyte of RAM and an RTX GPU RTX NVIDIA 3090 with 24 gigabyte of VRAM. I can run this one, but I prefer to run this one in order to not take all the resources from the computer. So yeah, just run this batch file. So it will run automatically the command prompt window and start running the ComfyUI. It will load it will check all the requirements, the RAM, the VRAM. I really recommend to get to upgrade to at minimum 64 gigabyte of RAM. And if you want to be like really safe, like working in a good environment, a good graphic card with 24 gigabyte of VRAM. So you can see here it's checking all the RAM. As you can see, VRAM 24 gigabyte and the RAM 64. There is 64, not 65. It run the normal VRAM batch because I ran this one. So NVIDIA GPU. If I run this accumulation, it will take the maximum VRAM. It will use the maximum VRAM. But anyway, on almost all of the workflows, it will offload between RAM and VRAM. So it will combine between both. So that's a good thing. That's why I really recommend to have at least 64 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, so we just I just ran the open the new tab in so I closed this one because it saved my old workflows. I'll just let the workflow, the default workflow, which is this one. Okay, so when you the window will stay opened, this one you will just get the logs here once you run the workflow. So this is ComfyUI and this is the workflow. So for each AI, open source or closed source, you will get like this. Sometimes it's a little bit scary, you know, when you see this. Those are called nodes, and they are connected to each other. Each node has its own job. So and then it go from a node to another to do the job and etc. until the end to do the final task. So we have like this is like an easy, like a simple workflow, because if you see some others, it will be really scary, a scary one. So here we have the load checkpoint. For example, this one is just to run to load the model of the workflow. Here we have, for example, the text encode node. Here are the prompts, like for example the prompt, the thing that we want to do. This workflow, for example, is to generate a picture, you know. So here we put the what we want to create like the picture, a description of the picture. We have here the negative text encoder prompt. For example, the thing that we don't want to see into the picture, for example, blurry or something like that. You know, just all the bad quality or something like that. And then it will go to the sampler, which will start like generating the picture. VAE, it's like another like model that will just convert the picture, and then it will save the picture here. It will show up here. I think I don't have this this model. I'll check anyway. Beautiful scenery, nature, glass, bottle, landscape, purple. Okay, so we'll leave it like this by default. And what we need to do is to run the workflow. I think it will get an error because I don't have the model yet. Yeah, so it asked me to get this model because okay, I'll open a new tab and download the model. One thing before doing that, actually I have all the models that I downloaded before. Yeah, this one, it's about like more than 200 gigabytes. So okay, it's 448 gigabytes of models that I downloaded before. And we'll see. I'll do cat. You need to put those models into ComfyUI again, models here. So I'll paste them here. Yeah, replace all destinations. Okay, so I don't know if the model is present or not, but in order to refresh the workflow, you need to click in the button R, and then you can get okay. So we'll see if no, I still not have the model. It should be in checkpoint. Nay, okay. So just need to download this one. Copy. We'll open new tab. We'll go to Google, and then we just paste the model name. It will automatically provide me the link for Hugging Face. Just download the model here, click download, and then save as. Put it for each model, it need to be on a specific folder. So we'll go to ComfyUI, ComfyUI again, models. Sometimes for this one, sometimes it could be in checkpoint and sometimes in diffusion model. So we'll try in checkpoint, or else we will move it to diffusion model. So we'll wait a little bit. It will start downloading and putting it into the folder. Okay, it's 2 gigabytes. Okay, that's fine. So we'll see now. We click again in button R. Okay, so we'll see if it appears now. No, so checkpoint. Yeah, but the thing is, I'll try to move it to the from checkpoint. This one X to diffusion model. Okay, so we click again on R, and we'll see now. Still no. Okay, sometimes need to sometimes we need to reboot the machine, reboot the ComfyUI. Okay, copy. We'll copy it. here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to close all ComfyUI and then Control C, yes, and then we close, we run again the ComfyUI. Okay, but now it's fast. You see. So, okay, so now we'll check. Yeah, now we have after restarting, we have now the model here. So we leave it like this. Beautiful scenery, nature, glass, bottle, landscape, purple. Yeah, just when you type in a prompt, it's specific. It's like you need to be as specific as possible. You give all the details, also in the negative part. So there is always positive and negative prompt text encode. So yeah. So now we click again, run. And now it's starting. When it's loading the model, now it's starting. So it passed from a node to another, and then it generates the image that we want. Here it is. Here we go. And yeah, it's really especially if you have a good graphic card with a lot of memory. As I said, the minimum should be 24 gigabytes of VRAM. And once the image generated, you will find it into ComfyUI output here. As you can see, the image is here. You can generate an amazing and beautiful image, and yeah, that's great. So it works. So now I'll show you a small thing. Like here is the template where you can find all the models, all the workflows that you can load from here. So here you can find the closed and open sourced workflows. If you want to show up only open sourced workflows, you just need to tick here ComfyUI, and then you will find all the free open source workflows for ComfyUI. There is a lot of, yeah, for example, image generator, video generator, video edit workflow. Sometimes you need to, for example, this one, if we put replace, I will put Mocha, not this one. If you put, for example, one, yeah, for example, one is to generate, to replace character. There is some workflows to replace characters of a video. Yeah, there is a lot of workflows. I'll go through them in the next videos one by one. So yeah, we'll do that in the next video. So hope this video will be useful for you. As I said, you need really to think about the hardware. Do not use it if you have 32 gigabyte of RAM. Just upgrade to 64. Also, the graphic card is very important to have a GPU with at least. You can use it if you have 16 gigabyte, but if you want really to run all the workflows smoothly, at least like 24 gigabyte of RAM and above. And also, I am with my GPU, I have like water cooling all-in-one or water cooling system for GPU cooling. It's very important for, you can throttle your GPU and will have some issues with damage your GPU actually. So on my case, even if I have 24 gigabyte of VRAM and water cooling, I limit the all the temperature to 83. Even 83, it's a lot. It should not reach the 70 more than 75 degrees, because after that it will start throttling and it will damage your GPU, especially if you run like hard workflows in ComfyUI or other open sourced tools. Yeah, so just use Afterburner, MSI Afterburner, to limit the temperature of the GPU. It will decrease the performance of your GPU, but at least it will be safe for your GPU temperature. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and follow us into our next videos, AI and open source, etc. So take care of yourself and peace on you. Salam.